Moeya Spa Body is a line of luxurious, natural spa products designed to give you soft, healthy skin. This line is a continuation of the Te Poema facial care products by continuing with the ancient Tahitian beauty secrets. Moeya products are gentle, soothing, and an ideal way to unwind after your long, hectic, stressful day. Vanilla, combined with the natural polishing powers of sugarcane, makes up the Lush Sugar Scrub. This scrub is the perfect recipe to encourage glowing, smooth skin. The sweet scent of the Body Souffle is just what you need to relax after a long day. Along with the sumptuous scents of banana and macadamia, you'll receive lasting moisture, deep hydration, and nourishing protection. With the body butter, you'll be able to pamper those areas of your body with extremely dry skin, like the elbows and feet. You'll love the difference the noni seed oil and tiara flower will make with your skin. Go ahead, relax with Moeya Spa Body. You deserve it.